Hey, it's Rob. I hope you're doing well. This is your annual home maintenance reminder. So this is going to have your annual checklist, also going to have your monthly checklist, your lifespans, and your shopping list on there. So the annual stuff is usually the bigger, more involved activities you got to get done. So let me just review on here and see what's on there. So you got to get things done like your smoke detectors. Make sure your smoke detectors are good. Check your water valves, shower heads, look in your attic, look for any insulation errors, look at your washing machine, check and replace hoses if needed, check your water heater, flush and drain it. There's a video in there on how to flush and drain your water heater. Make sure you're doing that. There's pretty wild to see how much sediment actually comes out at the bottom of that. That's why it's so important. It makes your water heater last a lot longer if you're regularly flushing and draining it. You could also look into a tankless water heater if you don't want to do that. Want to just do the upgrade. And if you're in an area that has water softener, you want to get this done as well. And then also check your radon levels. You can also just look on the map that's posted in there that says if you're at risk for radon. Most places in California are totally fine, so checking for radon is not a big issue here. But if you want to be extra safe, you can get a radon detection kit. I think it's just $100 or $200 for that. And don't forget about the monthly reminders on there. Those are very important. I know that you can overlook them, and again, it's not vitally important. You can do them every month, but make sure they get done intermittently. And if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll talk to you soon.